Hey friends, welcome to a new episode of Unboxing Flatlay, where we shine the spotlight on our favorite design materials and we jump into the excitement of exploring new product. I'm Brandon.
I'm Ariel, principal of Ariel Fox Design. We're in Los Angeles today, and we're coming at you with a new concept called Woven Wonders. Have you ever wondered about woven?
It sounds wonderful. Let's begin with a really cool piece of woven metal from Kent Design. It's an antique brass piece. Look at that.
Really great profile, thin profile, good for millwork, and you can really stretch your imagination with this one. Comes in a lot of different finishes, but this is just a really good piece for maybe like a cabinet or something.
Right, and a really cool opportunity for a room divider too, maybe. All right, let's move on to Armadillo Rugs. This is the Marley collection.
In wine. I'm gonna drink it.
Of course.
But
Squeeze it, maybe. All right.
It comes in a million different colors. This is great for your high traffic areas. It's wool, it's a thin profile, so you're not gonna trip over it. And again, this is great for dirt repellent.
Excellent. Up next, we have got, from designanddirectsource, Deco Coffee Mat Tile. This is a really cool tile that's really hitting on the theme of wonderfully woven.
Wonderfully woven.
Right.
I love the depth and the texture of it. Again, as Brandon said, it's a wonderful matte color. I like to call this color biscuit.
Sure.
Biscuits and wine, why not?
I'll just dip
See my cheese.
I'll just dip it in there. It almost looks like it's underwater. Okay, you want to move on to this one?
Sure.
What do you got?
This is from our friends at Tileshop. This is Icono
57.
57. A little bit more of a gloss finish, but again, it feels almost like an imprint of fabric. So you get a lot of that sort of texture, which we love here.
Cool. All right, let's go into some fabrics from Knoll Textiles. This is really cool. Talk about texture. I mean, you can really feel this.
Yeah, this is a good upholstery fabric. It's contract grade, so it's gonna be very durable. This is called Mod Plaid, which is super fun. It's a big statement, but you know, we only live once, so why not?
Go big or go home. All right, guys, now for the grand finale here from Kettal Group, some Bela robes. Check these out.
We love Kettal, outdoor furniture company out of España, and they've got, if you're not familiar with them, please go immediately check them out. There'll be some install images at the end of this video, but you can mix and match all of these different colors, these different ropes that they kind of weave around their chairs. And this is very, very durable. This is, you can keep this outside. The
really
sun will not fade them. They won't fray. They're just kind of this indestructible, beautiful material.
So cool. Okay, friends, that will do it for this episode of Unboxing Flatlay. As always, everything we spoke about will be in the description box below with links. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe with your friends and family, and stay tuned for some really cool install shots coming up right after this.
Thanks, guys. We hope you had a wonderful time. We'll see you on the next episode of Unboxing Flatlay.